Use the formula to calculate the geometric series. Well, the formula for a geometric series is S sub n equals G sub 1. Now, a lot of teachers might use A sub 1, but G is for geometric, and if you're thinking pre-calculus thoughts, you're going to use G's for geometric. It's all the same. 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Now, what is r? What is n? Well, n is the number of terms that we're talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so n is 5. Okay, g sub 1 is the first term, like I said, so that's going to be negative 2. And what else? We've got r, which is what you multiply to get from one term to the next. Okay, that's my common ratio. If I multiply everything by 6, we get from one term to the next, so 6 is going to be my r. Now it's a matter of us plugging stuff in. The first 5 terms of this series is going to be negative 2 times 1 minus r, which is 6, to the n, which is 5, over 1 minus regular 6. Okay, so negative 2 times 1 minus 7,776 is going to be 6 to the 5th power, believe it or not. And that's going to be over 1 minus 6 still. Okay, so negative 2 times 1 minus 7776 is going to be negative 7775. And then you're going to be over negative 5. This number inside here becomes 1,555. Bet you didn't know that. And then when you multiply that by 2, you get 3,110. But it's negative. Oh, that was a close one. I was going to say, yeah, I forgot that negative 2 out here. So don't forget the negative either. It's negative because all of these are negative. You're adding those up. I knew something didn't seem right at the end there. But I fixed my mistake. Hopefully you didn't notice too much, and hopefully you weren't getting too angry. I was just so hyper-focused on what these numbers were, I think. I don't know. But yeah, that's what you get. And if you wanted to check your work, you just, add those up and see what happens. But you should get that.